Hello everyone, my name is Mayuson and I'm here to answer your questions concerning to the process automation. And of course, just to remind you that we'll be here on this channel every 50 days on Wednesday at the same time, okay? You can use the chat here to send your questions and you can do this of course when you feel free to do that, okay? So we have a question here from Lindsay last week. Hi guys, I'm modern process and the initial activity. I'm using several forms to organize my fields. Is there a better way to do this? The answer is yes. I'm gonna share my screen in order to show how to do the configuration in this case. Okay. Just a moment, please. If I understood good, the problem of Lindsay is this. For example, he has a lot of forms in the first activity, but the problem is, imagine that after some time, probably gonna have a lot of forms here, and probably gonna have some difficulty to organize the forms on the first task and the other task as well. Okay. In order to resolve this problem, we can use a feature called isCollect here on the right side of the properties. I'm going to show how to change this configuration, okay, in order to use a better layout here. In order to do that, as you can see, I have here the purchase forms, some fields, and the same here on the request, and here the further information as well, okay? The idea is, for example, use just one form in order to organize this field here. How to do that? First, I'm gonna create a new version of this process in order to keep the old one, okay? And here, for sure, I need to make sure that the fields that I'm using in the other forms, I'm gonna do something like that. I'm gonna click here, this collection on. Then this first form, I'm gonna, for example, get information from the second one, purchase description, reason purchase. Okay, here I have the first one, okay, the purchase one, and now I'm gonna add the second one. The second one is called request, okay, and here I'm gonna put the same fields that I have in the request forms that we saw before. Just let me see the fields because I don't remember the ones. Purchase description, okay. Click here, purchase, purchase descriptions. Jesus Christ, I don't remember the other ones. Sorry. Reason of purchase and expected, blah, blah. Purchase and expected delivery. Perfect. And the other one has a company name. Okay. Here, further information. Oops. Here, going to use company name. Perfect. Awesome. Now I can delete these other ones. And then I can generate a new work item here. Just make sure that the layout is okay. Just a moment. Perfect. Now I have the purchase one, request one, and furthermore information. Now, for example, I just have one form in order to organize my fields. It's better approach, because imagine that after some time you have more fields and more, of course, more forms. When I access this process, I'm gonna see a lot of forms in the first task and the other task, and this approach, I believe that's the best option in order to use to organize your fields here. And of course, we have another feature here, for example. I'm gonna click as well. I can use this tab In here, for example, when I click here to create a new instance, you're gonna notice that I have this tab in here, purchase one, request, and furthermore information. I believe this is a good layout in order to use to refine a user, because it's gonna be more easy to identify the information here, okay? And I believe that's the best approach in order to use when you have, for example, more than one forms in your tasks during your automation part, okay? And Mark said us send here in the chat more information concerning the multiple forms. Okay, you can consult this link, knowledge base, in order to have more information about this part. It's possible as well change the order of these forms. Okay, I have the first one purchase, request. For the more information, I can change this order as well. So thank you for your time and see you next time.